Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Pistons pumping, minds are racing. It's hard to sleep, man, when I'm shaking. Bad news surrounds me. It's always found me creeping up when things are good. Yeah, the dark days find a way. Loud, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip. It's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same.
Mike, Mr. C, good job, boy. That's a fair twin right there, I'll tell you what.
Strike is sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Can't capture all the things that make us turn from what we see.
Good job, buddy. Ready to let her go?
It's always rolling. It don't stop rolling. I haven't slept in 3 damn days. Yeah, but who needs that anyway? Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip. It's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light
6 cents divine shaking
is tucked away.
Biggin! Biggin! That's the 4th biggin of the day right there.
Show him to the folks at home, Mr. Doc. That's a good 8-pounder, baby. Let's let it go. That's freaking cool, yeah. Well, guys, sometimes when I'm fishing with customers and they want me to fish with them, I catch my new personal best right here. 25.5 inches long, 10 pounds, 6 ounces, post-spawn monster Lake Fork bass. She definitely gets an ear scratch. She even gets a little sugar. Boy, don't worry, honey. I'll kiss you too when I get home. Good night. That's a special day, folks. That is an absolute giant Lake Fork bass right there. It's the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life personally. I normally focus on putting other people on. I rarely catch a 10. This is only the 2nd one I've ever caught. People catch a lot of 10-pounders with me, but today was my lucky day. Can't believe it, man. Yeah, there she goes. Lake Fork. Y'all come see me. Them big ones still bite in the summertime. That's a summertime 10-pounder right there, boys and girls. Water temp's 90 degrees up here today. Turn that goose loose, sir. She's gonna run it down the tail and see what she got to say.
You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. It's sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Loud thunder, heavy it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Loud thunder, heavy rain.
Hey there, folks. Smile and wave to the folks at home right there.
Loud thunder, heavy rain.
We're out here on this old window back getting these postcards taken. Big bluegill beds, and I just want you to look how they're eating that hybrid jig, folks. just disappearing. Hybrid jig, gone. Look at here. Mr. Bubba Pierce was a good one. Bubba, how long have you known me?
At least, what, 25 years?
Probably
at least
30,
more, 30?
Actually. It's probably been 20 years since we've seen each other.
Yeah, 30.
Yeah.
So.
This guy was my baseball hero, and so was his brother right here, Mr. Tommy. Yeah.
I was a lot better though.
He didn't have that back then, and I didn't have this. That's the only difference.
You took your elbow out.
Yeah. Everything else still the same though. Good job, buddy. Give me a fish ball.
Heck yeah.
Right there. Who's caught the biggest one though there back there, big brother?
Me.
No, me.
Wait a minute. I know your big brother, older brother. Who's caught the biggest one, older brother?
That's little compared to the one I caught.
I'll tell you what, you have
this
definitely
was
caught the best hat of the day. Guaranteed, bro. Nice job, buddy.
Hey Joe, what are you doing? Me? He's doing the same thing he was doing when you were up there. Finally got him, huh? I'm just telling you. It's like when you can't get the jar
Dude,
open.
I'm telling you, if I could bottle up that vibration I put on that Betsy.
That's still a good looking fish. Nice slot fish.
Yep. Sorry, I did that to you, man. I didn't even have him penetrate. He could have came off real easy. Pretty fish.
Mm-hmm.
Roy, is your shirt on backwards? Sorry, rookie. No wonder why you're catching all the fish. Yeah. Inside out?
Yeah, no, it's backwards.
Now come on.
Look at that, folks at home. That does not go on the backside.
I put it on a pitch black.